Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Jermaine Morgan TV. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to use both the major and the minor pentatonic with just one lick, so stay tuned. Alright, so jumping right into it, if you're new to this channel, be sure to go ahead and subscribe and turn on my notifications so you don't miss anything that I post or when I go live. Also, if you find something helpful on this video, please be sure to give it a like and also leave a comment. And as usual, I appreciate you guys for being here. Alright, so in this lesson, this song that I'm playing, this backing track is also available. I will link that backing track in the description and also at the end of this video. We're in the key of A major. This is a really what I call like a CCM or praise and worship style song, but it really doesn't matter the style. I just use this for reference just to have a groove. The particular groove was playing 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 1, 5. That's pretty much the meat and potatoes of the groove. So this particular lick that you heard me play, I use that lick to get me to the 4 so you can kind of hear the context of where I played it. So again, that was alright. And so just to explain to you guys what that is, I'm taking the major pentatonic and both the minor pentatonic. It depends on what notes you land on and what context you're using it in. And this is the thing I want to show you guys today. Actually, I've already showed some of you this lick if you've been watching some of my other videos. So with this particular line, what we're doing is we're starting on the 6. Okay, so we're in the key of A, and this is the 6. So we have that F sharp. Okay, so, and what we're doing is we're playing that major pentatonic backwards. But that also, because I'm starting on that 6, that also sets me up to play F minor pentatonic. But it's all about how you land a particular note, and it's all about the context that you use it in. It's the same group of notes. Now, if I were to go and land on that F sharp minor, that would put me in on the 6 or F sharp minor. So you see what I'm saying? Land me right on that F sharp minor, but in the case that I'm using it, I'm going to that 4. So in this particular context, I'm using it as the major pentatonic. You see what I'm saying? So it gives you a different spin on the exact same lick, and notice nothing changed. Or it's all about what notes you landed on. That determines the context of how you can use that particular line. So I'll break it down and show it to you slow if you haven't got it already what I'm doing. So again, we start on that 6. That's where we come back to the 4. So again. Start back over. To that 4. And where we can change it at, where I'm going to that 4, you can make it optional to go to that F sharp depending on how you want to use it. Remember, you don't have to use it in this particular context that I'm using. This is just to give you an idea. play that same line slow. So the only thing is we would have to change the placement of where we're putting it because it's a little longer if we play it slow. So see, it's just a little longer now. So that's how you can place it, but the initial way I played it, so that's double time. So now you can get that entire line out and you're not taking away from the actual notes that's in the groove. Right here, 5. On the other one, I wouldn't be able to play that 5. See the different placements of where I can use it, and hopefully you guys get the idea. So I didn't want to be really long in this lesson. This is pretty much finishing up our series of knowing what to add to our bass line. So what we're doing is we're taking all these things that we've been working on so far and applying them to the groove, and this is just one little combined or condensed lick that you can take and apply it in multiple settings depending on the context of how you want to use it. So that's pretty much it for this lesson. I just wanted to give you guys a really simple idea, a really simple approach for using one lick for multiple uses just simply by changing the landing note of how you want to land that particular lick. And we will dig a little bit deeper in the monthly membership lesson. So I encourage you, if you're not already a member, be sure to go ahead and sign up now because you're probably missing out. If you found something helpful, be sure to leave it in the comments. I appreciate you guys being here. Oh yeah, if you hadn't claimed your free licks from me, be sure to click the link at the end of this video or in the description to claim your 2 free licks from me. Today is my gift to you. Other than that, guys, I will see you on next week. I'm out. Peace.